I'm going to put my jumper on, see if I can get out without drowning my feet too much, and wander over the surf and see what it looks like.
I'm going to get bait in the water for it.
Pardon?
And I'm going to get a bait in the water for a bream.
Yeah.
A yellowfin or two.
That's the plan.
Okay guys, day 2 of my little break, and we're down at Bemm River, Neal and myself again. Yesterday we headed offshore from Marlow. We went out the entrance, and that's pretty doable now with the size of the entrance there is. That's the first time I actually went out the bar.
Anywhere
out the bar. Yeah, it was good having Neal school me through it, so it was alright. And today we decided we'll do something a bit more relaxing. So we came down to the Bemm, haven't been down here for a while. So we thought we'll come and have a look and see if we can't get some trevally or some tailor and salmon. I've got one rod we're trolling at the moment. So we'll let you all know if anything happens. So stay tuned. Okay, Neal is on with a good fish here.
I hooked up on something down near the mouth. I'm not quite sure what it is. It could be a tailor, I think. But it's very heavy, whatever it is.
That's literally our weighted body. Got a plan.
Might want a net, mate.
Yeah.
I reckon it's going to be a tailor myself. No, salmon, I think.
Today. Good salmon too. Well, not like he got a choice there. He's doing whatever the fuck he wants. Oh god, this is fun.
He is a big salmon. Come up big side, yeah.
Alrighty then.
It's a tailor. I thought it was a tailor, or a massive tailor.
No, it is a salmon. It is a salmon. Yeah. It's just a fucking monstrosity up and down.
Oh yeah, it is a salmon.
Monstrosity.
Oh no, not that big. Not compared to what I've been catching, but still a good one.
Why not? First salmon for the trip.
Whoa! We're on the board. As Robbie Alexander would say, we're on the board. I think we're in a bit shallow here, mate.
In 1.4 meters. We've got to go around the sandbar in the middle here.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah.
Oh, I saw those marks on the sounder up high.
Yeah.
I thought that's got to be bloody salmon or tailor.
Some pretty, that was a big salmon, that one, guys. And hopefully, as we head over to the entrance, we find a bit more. But when the tide turns to come back in, we might push them into the system.
We're going to find some weed in a minute.
Yeah. We'll see what happens. Let's get it out there and see if we can find in a few. Because there definitely was a big school out there.
Well done, mate. Well, that side, though. Let's be over this way more.
That's these are the same size fish.
What direction did you
I just cast straight at the back here.
straight out?
Yeah. And 2 winds of the rod and it was on.
Wind down so that.
Are you getting it?
Yeah.
Good.
Slow the wind down.
Neal's hooked up too, so now we've got a double hook up. He's under the boat now. The anchor there. Away from the anchor. These things are strong.
No, John, you should have sat with Neal, that's for sure. And there's nice eating size, too.
Yeah, these are good.
Really good eating size,
Get him straight in.
Oh, yours is a bigger one.
Yeah, it's
Mine's perfect eating size.
another big one there. Nice. Let's see if we can make it 3 for 3.
Yeah, I'm on.
On?
Yeah, we'll slow the wind down. That
Okay.
definitely works. Let the lure get down a little bit deeper.
Yeah. Oh, yes! 3 for 3. Neal's 3 for 3 as well.
Oh my God, man. Or is he just coming at me?
It's probably coming at
No,
me.
he's coming at me. No, I'm not 3 for 3 because I'm 2 for 2.
Oh, 2 for 2. Oh, yeah.
Oh, no wonder this one's going hard. It's hooked in the gill plate.
Oh, got him. Well done. Oh, these are better ones. Yeah. That's a better one now.
Bigger.
These are the eaters.
Oh, better size.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, better eating. They got weed. Starting to show up now on the bottom. Oh, you're on. Oh, come on. Oh, no.
Okay, we got a school of salmon here,
Yeah.
and they seem to be taking anything we throw at them. Yeah. Got him?
Yeah.
Oh, Neal's on. So if you can pick that up. Yeah, Neal's on there on that side. They just seem to be hanging in this cleaner water here, and there's an absolute monstrosity of fish over here at the moment.
You hardly see, you can't see a whole lot on the sounder. So dumb.
Oh, look at them, they're just flying up.
These are such perfect eating size. You even got to notice a couple of tailor.
Yeah, we managed a couple. Oh, that's it. That's all it takes.
Yep.
On.
Yep.
Yes.
And I love this. It's not plastic.
Oh mate,
I absolutely love it.
this is so much fun, guys. Dropped in. This one's stuck. It's going nuts, but his so far is stuck. Ah, it's got a rattle in this floor.
It's absolutely instant.
Yeah.
As soon as I chuck it out, I'm only really slow winding.
Yeah. We've got one.
Ah!
Got you?
Nearly got the hook in me.
Oh, good hit. Oh, and just like that.
I wonder how close to the boat they are.
Oh, they'll be underneath and everything. They're swimming all around, I think. Oh, jeez. Hear that wheel? It's only a 2000 size.
They seem to be further over.
Hanging deep. This one must be a slightly bigger one. It's slightly bigger, this one. God, this is... Yeah, slightly bigger. You look properly. Let's see if I can lift him in here with one sweep. Easy sweep there.
Buddy,
Aha, nails on.
just jigging it here. Almost back at the boat. Feel bump, bump, bump. Oh, they're perfect eating.
Oh, very, very... So when they're like this, I like to stock up for my bait for snapper as well. So, oh yes! Oh no! Come on, get it again. Hit it again. Yes. Oh, hit the camera there. Dude, they're hitting this so many. Sorry guys, I bumped yours over there. Let me just straighten this up. I'll actually try and maybe get you some footage of where we're casting. That's it. That's just there. Oh, and that's it. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Sorry about the water on the lens, guys, but Look at this guy. Yes. And that's it, guys. That's as easy as that when they're around. Nothing on that one? Oh. You got a hit?
Yeah, I got a hit. Didn't hook up. Following it?
Yeah. So, man, got it? Managed to get some kuta yesterday for bait. Today salmon and some to eat. So pretty good. Oh, that's it. That's it. That was a really long wait for that one. Hope you didn't go to sleep there. Now, I don't know if you'll remember, you'll check another video of it. Neal and I doing the exact same thing.
With fish 4 times the size.
With fish, yeah. Absolutely, yeah. Huge one compared to these things. And we had a bloody ball that day. Not that we're not having a ball now. This guy's not settling down. Okay. Gets hooked like this.
This is so much fun.
Oh yeah. Oh. Just so.
Oh, come on. Hit, and didn't hook up.
Yeah. Now, let's get that in there.
Come on, take it. I got him.
Got him?
Yeah.
Let's try that little soft plastic paddle tail there.
Well, you did try soft plastic, did you?
I'm gonna try one now.
Oh,
I'm
right.
trying a paddle tail soft plastic.
Yeah. Oh. Mine's a curl tail grub.
Okay. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get a good cast on this thing, but we'll see. Yeah, it's alright. Not a bad cast. Oh, first cast! First cast with the soft plastic.
Must be more out that side, I think.
Yeah. So that little paddle tail works as well. Show you this one, guys. A little paddle tail. This thing is old. It used to be white, believe it or not, but it ain't anymore.
What colour is it now? Black?
Gold, like a brownish gold. You can still see the flake in it, though.
Yeah.
I guess it's just the way it swims. And you gotta watch that line. Like as soon as it tightens up, you're on. Oh, these are better eating quality ones. There's better eating quality ones, I think, back of the boat, you know.
Oh, the ones I got just then were perfect. Yeah? Yep. They're just everywhere.
Oh, there's the guys in the yellow boats coming.
Round and round and round, round and round. Oh, wait, come up. Oh my goodness. A little bit bigger, I think, this one. Yeah, definitely a bit bigger. Oh my goodness. Yeah, come away from over there. Oh yeah, this is definitely bigger.
It's bigger?
Oh yeah.
There's a boat coming fast.
See?
Oh, yeah. It's a better fish. I wonder if I have some fun with my head. Ooh, woke up, definitely woke up.
Oh. No soft plastic anymore.
Oh, it's gone, is it?
Yep. Oh, we'll try a jig head and see what happens.
Oh, I think this one's got a bit more size to it. Oh, I hooked it in the behind side.
Just a bare jig head.
A bare jig head without a soft plastic.
Jig head and those green beads above it.
Ah, this is a bit of fish.
So is this one. Oh my goodness. This is like the last one I've got and like your one. Get away from that motor.
Oh, that was a bit of a uncle cast. Sit there.
Oh, that's like the last one I got. Must be getting bigger.
Can do this the whole day, guys. Whole day.
That's what I'm using.
I kid you not, Neal has got no soft plastic on his jig head. And he's still catching. Let's see how long it takes with no soft plastic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Ah,
7, 8,
chasing it and on.
10, 9. He got to 9 seconds with no soft plastic at all on that.
I had about 5 hits before that, before I actually hooked up.
What's that? That was 1 second.
Yeah, well, I'm casting way in on over the shallows, and it's when I get back to the deep water that I get them.
Yeah. This is, oh, stopped him. That's all right. Let's go. Oh, my soft plastic's looking about how you're going there. Let's have a look. Oh, now am I game enough? Am I game enough to try it on the air? 1 to 3 kilo.
On the Veritas.
On the Dawa head.
Oh,
I think I am, Neil. I'm gonna give it a go.
do. Have some fun. That's what we're here for.
Yeah. I won't be lifting them in, but anyway.
Lift them in on the line. Look at this. You see the boils behind it.
Yeah. Okay, let me stick this rod up there. Right. And I'm gonna get me lighter rod
I'll try going a bit quicker and see if they hit it better.
and have a bit of fun. Why the hell not? They jumping out of the water just
Oh,
about.
that's crazy.
Walk it. Nice to get a walk the dog lure and get a surface strike.
Nothing that colour.
All right, let's give this little outfit a scream.
Oh, nearly. Picked it up, but didn't hook up. You get him?
Yeah.
Yep, got that one.
Ooh. Jesus, feels good. This is a little 1 to 2 kilo rod.
2 or 3?
1 to 3.
Yeah, most of them are 1 to 3. Oh, don't let it get tangled. One's going over your way. He wants to go take the water. I think he's a bit bigger. But he's not coming up.
That's all right.
Oh yeah, he's like that last one.
Yeah.
Well, not the last one, but those other couple. Quite a lot bigger. Bloody perfect eating size, these ones though.
Yeah.
Turn this way. Where's your camera? Over there. That's what I'm catching them on. 3 green beads and a bare jig head. Oh, pulled him.
Pull him?
Yep. That's all right. Plenty more in the water.
No, there's not. There's only a few.
And on again.
That took long.
That took far too long. I think I need a bit more drag. Come here, line. Oh, seem to be bigger over this side. Or else they're getting bigger as we go on.
I think they're getting a bigger schools coming through, maybe. Just better sized fish.
Good call, Nolan.
Oh yeah. Sometimes you just gotta follow your gut instinct.
Yeah.
We were in the channel and I said, nah.
No. Coming to Bemm.
Oh, coming to Bemm. Oh yeah. No, that's all right. I haven't been here for a while, so I knew that there was salmon getting caught in the weeks that have passed. So I decided we'll come down and have a look. I want to see what the bream are doing. The bream are schooling up, but they're very little ones. Now don't get me wrong.
They're good fun.
They are good fun.
And they're going to be good seasons coming.
And yeah, start of spring should see them fire up in good numbers. Now let's get rid of soft plastic and let's see if I can get some top water action with a walk the dog lure. Have I got one? Oh yeah, I might have one here. I don't know if I'm going to get to cast it, but
Oh, there we go. Had 2 casts without a touch and then 2 winds and hooked up.
yeah.
Oh, pulled him.
Pulled him.
Yep. That's alright.
Okay, let's try this little green lure. Oh, that's on the top, isn't it? Oh, got him right here. That is amazing.
Look at this.
Yeah. That's the kind of action I'm wanting with this one. Top water action.
I reckon that was the one that I just lost. He's jumping down there thinking he's still hooked.
Okay, let's see
Nearly.
if we can get top water action here.
Oh, I've got to put my sunnies on. That's getting a bit vicious now.
We've hit it a couple of times.
That might be better.
There's a boil behind it.
Oh, that's it.
It wasn't a top water boil, but it certainly did grab it.
Yeah, that one grabbed that. Oh, pulled him
Pulled
too.
him? Oh, Jesus. Surprised there's no tailor
Yeah.
mixed in with them, and even if there were, I reckon the tailor would be too slow for these bloody salmon. They are as fast, as quick as anything, these things. Neal's on again as well. I've got this little top water lure for that. Hopefully we get it out there and see if we can get a surface strike If you can catch that, I'm not sure if you're catching that. This is so much fun.
Yeah, we better not leave it too late.
Yeah.
I reckon another 2 weeks and that'll do. That won't take long.
Yep. Oh, and he grabbed it.
What was that on, soft plastic? Or?
No, a little, like very, very shallow. Walk the dog over.
Oh, right, yeah.
Walk the dog, I think.
He's a better fish. Bigger fish anyway.
He's gone down really deep, this guy. This guy's gone down really deep. Hopefully you can see that. So much fun. Getting these rods.
Move over that side now. About 3 casts over my side and couldn't get one, cast over your way and got one straight away. One each now.
Oh, oh, we've got escapees.
Grab him.
We've got escapees.
Oh. Quick, 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 quick.
Oh,
No, don't clip it. That'll be fine.
Oh, this is so funny. So the Esky's got salt water in it and a couple of iced bottles. And now we've got a few fish in there at the moment. And every time we open the lid, they're jumping out. Oh, look at that, hit straight away. Oh, that's it. Oh,
Jason, mine.
look at that. Oh!
Oh, that is fun. That is just so cool.
Oh no, I heard that snap.
Did too.
Yeah,
Bloody hell.
I heard that guy snap. The other one's rigged up.
Hook down the spool on the loop.
Oh shit.
Oh, that's not the one I want. Oh, this one.
Oh, jeez.
I haven't got one more to catch. You've got no more to catch.
Nah. And then I get the bigger one.
What's this? Look at this.
Oh wow. These guys are so cool.
Oh, it's so much fun. I better slow it down and catch
Have a look at this one here. Oh, how many reckon we got now?
This is insane.
You reckon we be?
That is crazy. What's this? Look at this.
Oh!
slow it down and hook one, I think.
I'm gonna see if I can get the top water. Oh, whoa!
Didn't take long when I slowed it down.
Didn't take long. See, that one's going nice. Neal hooked up again. Guys, this is crazy. Mad action. Oh, that's a big fish.
It is, isn't it?
Jesus. Oh, that's a lot bigger, that one.
Oh, is it ever?
I love this.
What do you got on now?
Ah, little top water thing. Guys, have a look at this, right? I'm just gonna try and get it. Hopefully the sun doesn't kill you off, but have a look at this.
We'll get both of them going. You cast first. Look at them down the back there going nuts.
Have a look at that, have a look at that.
And here.
Oh, it's crazy.
Oop, we got a bloody loop.
Ah.
Oh, good, it came out.
Oh no, he got it.
Look at this.
Uh-oh.
Look.
Uh-oh. Neal.
Are they big, are they?
Oh, I dropped him. Dropped him.
Oh, this is nuts.
Oh, look at that, look at that. Oh no. Did you see that?
Oh, hang on.
Okay. Oh no!
Oh, oh no! They got me too!
This is fucking nuts! Oh my god, which way am I?
I don't know.
Yeah, I've gone back that way. Oh no!
These are bigger fish.
Oh.
These are much bigger fish. No, don't get tangled.
Oh Jesus!
Oh, this is done. Yeah, this is much bigger.
Yeah, these fish are bigger. Oh, geez, they're so boofy.
Wow.
Oh my god, look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. I got a loop
Oh,
over
this is
my
a
spool
lot
as
bigger,
well.
this fish.
Got a bit of a loop over my spool there. See that one?
Wow.
He's hooked in the lip, so it's pretty good. He's just cleaned, you know. Get it in.
Yeah, those fish must be just coming up.
Hmm?
These fish must be just coming up.
Yeah.
Look at the size of this one.
Oh, that's a nice fish.
They can go home.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Neal, what have we got? What's going on here?
Last one.
Last one?
Last one.
Alright, let's
I had to have one more.
burn one across
After
the...
throwing all my bloody lures away. Oh, sit still. Oh my goodness.
Okay, let's see if Neal can burn one across the surface. And don't do that, you look up a fish. Oh, watch that. Neal's gonna burn one across the surface and just watch this boils. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Look, they're all, look at this, look at this. Look at this. Ah, it's crazy. Do it again, Danny. It just landed just there. Watch it, watch it.
Oh no!
Get one of this one, Neal.
Now I'll go one more.
One more there.
Yeah,
Right.
that way.
And just there. Watch. Watch that. Look at them behind it.
No.
Oh, I saw one jumping there. Look at that, look at that, look at that
Oh,
treasure.
nuts over here.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, look over here. They're on bait. Look at them.
Oh yeah, there. Absolutely crazy. Oh, he's on it. Oh!
Oh!
It's absolutely crazy, guys. This has been an epic session on the salmon. Like, it was so much fun. Managed to get some bait and a little feed as well.
I know,
so we're
I've got it rid of him. Oh, you got it again.
so we're gonna end it with this one. Have a look at this. He pulled it.
Yeah, managed to pull it.
He managed to get himself free. Guys, we'll catch you on the next one. Ciao.